How to play workshop maps in CS2. So first, you just have to go to your Steam application, but we will not do the tutorial on Steam application. Instead, we will go to any web browser and then kindly go to this site. Okay, type this one, or you can simply open your Discord. And then as you can see, you just have to join this community in Discord. Now, what you're going to do here is to simply look for CS2 map. Okay, if you can't find it here, then you can go to the search icon and then kindly type for CS2 map, VPK. Okay, CS2 warm up map. And make sure that you see this VPK here. Click that one, and then you just have to simply wait as it is downloading. So you will see it above that it is now starting to download. Okay, you have to wait as it is downloading. Once done, you need to open the folder and you have to make sure that this one is PPK file. After that, you can exit, go to your Counter-Strike, go to manage, go to browse files, and then here you just have to simply look for game. Okay, tap this one, game folder, then CSGO, then look for maps. Then as you can see here, there are tons of PPK and maps here. What we're going to do is to simply open the file that you have downloaded earlier, CS2 VPK, and then drag it here, or you can copy and paste it here. Okay, now you can exit both. Then after that, you have to open again and then go to properties, scroll down. Again, to general, scroll down, and you have to copy this one. So you just have to type minus and then insecure. Then after that, you can tap X and you can now click the play button, tap play again. So you have to wait as it is processing. So this is what it looks like. Now, once you're here, what you're going to do is simply go to your settings, go to game, and make sure that you have enabled console. Okay. And you can also go to keyboard game to make sure that the toggle is on. Okay, so as you can see, enable console or enable developer console, yes. And then once you're done with that, what you're going to do now is to simply open console. And then you just have to simply type what I'm going to type. First, we have here SV underscore cheats space 1 and then press enter. And then you have to wait as it is processing above. Okay. And then after that, you can now type this or the second one we have here. Map space CS2 warm up refrag VPK. Okay, so you just have to enter that one and wait as it is processing. Okay, now once you've done everything here, what you're going to do is to simply close this and you will see the result after a few minutes. So this is what it looks like. And yes, this is how to play workshop maps in CS2. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.